So the question today on Reddit is, do open houses help sell houses? This is a really tricky question because it really depends on the agent and depends on the area. They sell houses because people are coming through your property, but however, is it the only way? No. Most people have already purchased a home just based on seeing the pictures online. They just need to go do a walkthrough to be able to make their decision. So homes tend to have already been sold if you have a good agent that's marketing it. Here at Realty by Ruben, we market to play on Google ads, Facebook ads, Instagram ads. So we get 40,000 views for every listing we have. And so the increase come in from online. However, open houses are appealing just because you do attract people from, that walk by or just going by on their Sundays. The trouble with it right now is we are in a COVID situation, a pandemic, and so they can't have any open houses. We can do showings by appointments, and you have to follow COVID guidelines, and there's a form you have to sign to be able to come. Children are not allowed to come. So open houses right now do not sell houses because there is no open house. Definitely make an appointment if you do want to see a property.